How to ban someone on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can ban someone on Discord. So let's just open our Discord application. Make sure that your Discord app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store and update your Discord app to make sure that we are going to face the same user interface so you can be guided all throughout. So from the recent mentions, I am on the recent mentions page. So let's just click on the home page right here where we can access our servers and all the servers that you have joined. So I'm going to go through a server that I own or that I have created. So after that, just click on a specific text channel so you can go to this specific page right here where you can click on this icon that has the people logo. So that is the members. That is where you can access your members and see all the members you have on your server. So if you want to ban someone, just click on that specific person. And here you have many options: manage, timeout, kick, and finally ban. So just click on that ban option so that this specific person will be banned from your own channel. So that is one role you have as the server moderator or from a channel, Discord channel that you own. So you just click on a specific member and click on the ban option right here if you click on their profile. And that is how you can ban someone on Discord or on your own Discord channel. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.